guys, welcome back. Today's Beauty Bite is a quick review on the new Spice Up Your Life palette from Essence Cosmetics. I got mine at Ulta for $9.99. It comes with 16 shades, which is really good for the money. There are really beautiful, rich, warm fall tones in here. You have your reds and oranges, there's a yellow, there's a few greens, you have your brown shades, and they even included some berry tones. There's like a burgundy in here and a mid-tone warm pink. It's a beautiful palette, and I think it's very versatile in the types of looks that you can create with it. Pigmentation wise, I think some shades are incredibly pigmented, and then there are others that need to be built up a little bit, but they can easily be built up without an issue. It's not overly powdery, there's not a ton of fallout, so I think the formula is really good, really easy to work with. The only downside I would say with this palette is that there's only 5 matte shades and 11 shades are shimmer. Not all of them are intensely shimmered. Most of them actually just have a tiny bit, and they're almost more of like a satin shimmer. So if you're looking for a color to put in your crease that's matte, there are not a lot to pick from, and if that's a deal breaker for you, you may not like this palette, but I've definitely put some of the shimmer shades in my crease, and once they blend out, you can't see any visible shimmer, so they sheer out really nicely and actually appear matte on the skin because they're not overly shimmery. So let me show you quickly how I got this look today that I'm wearing with the palette. I used the shade Spiced Apple Cider in my crease. This one is one of those like satiny shimmer shades. It is beautiful. It's just a really warm coppery color. And then I used the shade Coco Loco in the outer corner, which is a matte warm brown. And then I applied the shade Pumpkin Spice to my lid, which is just this gorgeous peachy orange shade. It's a beautiful shimmer. I love that one. And then I added 2 coats of the CoverGirl Supersizer mascara, and this is the look that it created. I think it did a really great job. So overall, I think this palette is slightly different than some of those other warm tone palettes that we all have with just the oranges and reds and browns, because it does have some green shades as well. It does have a few berry tones in there. So I think that you can create a wider variety of looks with this palette than with a lot of the other warm tone palettes that are out on the market now. Not to mention that it is super affordable. So if you're looking for a really nice fall palette for this season, check this one out. I think you will really enjoy it. Alright guys, that does it for today's Beauty Bite. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think of this palette. And also, if you have any ideas for upcoming Beauty Bites, let me know. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time.